Hi, you found my video. You're here because you're wondering what is the most efficient way of you know, clean up your or wash your Apple Watch band. Well, I have the same questions. So I have research online. People are telling me that the best way is to first wash with the dish soap. Then, if it still has a stain, you can try it with the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So that's what we will do today. But before we proceed, let's take a look of the stain on the Apple Watch. You can see there's a little black stain there, but it's not too bad. But the goal for today is just to see if I can make the watch band looks as new as possible, right? But see the Nike band on the other side, it does have these stain. That's pretty obvious. It's not showing as much of the stain on the camera, but in person you can definitely see it. All right, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's try with the dish soap first. I'm gonna put quite a bit. Okay, last pin. So let's Okay, so I have washed with the dish soap, but as you can see on the right band, you can still see the stain here. Maybe it help a little bit, but doesn't make it look like new. But the Nike band, on the other hand, it actually make it looks newer, especially on the place where the circle is. But flip the side, this side you can still see the orange. This side is now looking somewhat new. But let's see if the magic eraser can clean up the orange stain in here on the flip side. Okay. Okay, now we are going to try with the magic eraser to see if I can get the remaining stain removed. Okay. Alright, so I have tried my best to use a magic eraser. This is what how the magic eraser, become. Alright, I tried very hard to clean the watch band. But so as you can see, it actually did help with the stain, right? This used to be a lot darker than before, so I can see that it actually does make it look a lot better. And I was very afraid about scratching the watch band with the magic eraser, but I cannot tell it has done any damage to it. And on the Nike watch band, it actually works especially well on the front side. On the black side, I actually did manage to clean up this orange part a little bit. Doesn't look as obvious, but for this band, there's just no way to get this stain off. But who cares, right? That's the other on the back side of the wash bin. Bottom line is that you know, I think the magic eraser does help. So if you consider recycle your old wash bin to be used, you can consider using the magic eraser. That seems to be pretty efficient. Alright, so if you like my video, please like and subscribe.